Most guys think attraction is all about looks, money, or fancy words. But the truth is, one of the most powerful ways to spark interest is completely free: eye contact. If you know how to use it right, you can create an instant connection without saying a single word. Today, I'm going to teach you exactly how to do eye contact in a way that makes a girl feel intrigued, drawn to you, and curious to know more. Step 1. First, understand this. Eye contact is about energy, not just looking. When you look at someone, you're sending a silent message. If your eyes dart around nervously, that message is insecurity. If you stare too intensely, it can feel creepy. The sweet spot is a calm, steady gaze, one that feels natural, confident, and relaxed. Step 2. When you first notice her, let your eyes meet hers for about 2 to 3 seconds. Yes, then look away casually, like you were already in a good mood and she just happened to catch your attention. This shows confidence because you're not desperate for her reaction. You're simply acknowledging her presence and leaving her wondering if you'll look again. Step 3. The next time your eyes meet, hold it just a little longer, around 3 to 4 seconds, and add a subtle smile, not a full grin, but enough to say, "I see you." This combination of steady eye contact and a micro smile triggers curiosity. You're giving her a signal, but still keeping a sense of mystery. Step 4. Eye contact works best when your body language matches your confidence. Keep your posture straight, shoulders relaxed, and movement slow. When you're talking to her, don't stare the entire time. Glance away occasionally, then back into her eyes during key moments, like when you're telling a story or making a point. This rhythm makes your gaze more magnetic instead of overwhelming. Step 5. Here's the secret most guys miss. Don't overstay your welcome. After a moment of strong eye contact, be the one to break it first. This leaves her wanting more. The human brain loves unfinished moments, and when you walk away or shift focus, she's far more likely to keep thinking about you. So remember, a confident, steady eye contact, paired with relaxed body language and timing, can be your silent superpower. You're not just looking, you're communicating. Try it next time and watch how the room starts to respond to you differently.